With Stake, you can trade over 6,000 US stocks and exchange traded funds with no brokerage fee. The app claims to offer the widest and most direct access to the US stock market, with an easy-to-navigate interface and a simple fee structure. In this video, I'll take an in-depth look at Stake's fees and charges, its key features and the app, as well as an extra section on what our experts recommend you look out for when picking the right investing app for you. The standard Stake account is free to set up and offers unlimited commission-free trades. Unlike a lot of other brokers or trading platforms, Stake does not charge a foreign exchange fee on trades. There is, however, a 0.5% foreign exchange fee when depositing or withdrawing money from another currency to US dollars, or vice versa. Stake's premium account, Stake Black, will cost an additional $9 a month, around £6.50. These are the main fees that you'll encounter with Stake, but there are a number of small US trading and administrative fees that you may need to pay. You can check these out in detail on the Stake website. Stake's USP is that it offers unrivaled access to the US stock market. With Stake, you get access to more than 6,000 US stocks and ETFs, plus unlimited commission-free trades and fractional shares. Stake comes with both a mobile app and a desktop platform, so you can be more flexible about when and where you trade. The app operates on US market hours, but you can set buy and sell orders outside this time frame to be executed when the market next opens. Stake will also automatically complete your W-8BEN US tax form, which is an essential document that helps determine whether you're entitled to any tax savings on any interest earned. Stake offers two types of accounts, its standard Stake account and its premium Stake Black account, which comes with advanced financial data analytics and market insights, as well as instant buying power, which lets you invest funds from your sell trades straight away. Stake only has a general investment account and doesn't offer any additional products like an ISA or a pension. If you were looking for a similar platform to Stake with an ISA, for example, Freetrade or trading 2-on-2 could potentially be good alternatives. Stake claim that you can open an account with them in under 3 minutes, and having just gone through the process myself, I can confirm it is super quick and easy. Stake will even chuck in some free stock if you add funds to your account within 24 hours of setting it up. The interface is very clean and simple, and after having a quick poke around, very easy to navigate. The only thing I would say is that it is very plain, and if, like me, you prefer more interesting graphics and colourful charts, this might not be the app for you. Stake also doesn't come with a demo account, which, if you're a beginner, is a useful feature to look out for, so you're not thrown in at the deep end. To add funds to your account, navigate to the first tab along the bottom navigation bar and then hit the big green Add Funds button and select Express or Regular Transfer depending on how quick you want the money in your account. To buy US stocks, navigate to the magnifying glass along the bottom toolbar, search for the stock you want and hit Buy. The drop-down menu to the right allows you to select the type of order you want to make and to even set a stop-loss order to automatically stop trading if the stock falls below a certain price. For this example, I'm going to choose a market order, which is an order to buy the stock at the current market price. Type in the amount of shares you want to buy, hit Review to check out your order, and then hit Buy if you're happy to proceed. Looking at that bottom navigation bar in a little bit more detail now, the first tab is a little bit like your portfolio. It gives you an at-a-glance look at your US equities, shows you things like your buying power, pending orders, and your holdings. The second icon that looks a bit like an eye is where you'll find your watch list. This is where you can curate any stock that you want to keep your eye on into one handy place. To add a stock to this list, simply navigate to the stocks page and then hit the plus icon in the top right-hand corner. The middle icon is your US market insights. This is where you can check out stock movements, check out any market news, trending strategies, and even read some specially curated articles from Stake. The magnifying glass is of course where you can search for different stocks, sectors and markets that you want to check out on the app. And finally, the little person icon is where you'll find all of the admin stuff relating to your Stake trading account. When mulling over which investing app or platform is the right one for you, our Finder experts recommend that you seriously consider the following 5 criteria. Start by thinking about what you plan to trade and on which markets, and find an app that caters to those requirements. Next, consider what fees and charges the platform has. The third step is to look at the app itself. How easy is it to use and navigate? After that, look into what charts and market insights the app offers and whether their detail and design aligns with your expertise and the way you digest information. And finally, keep an eye out for a demo account. Whether you're just starting out or are an experienced investor, being able to try before you buy is no bad thing. For our full review of Stake and to compare whether this is the right app for you, visit finder.com by clicking this link here. I've also included a load of other useful links in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like, subscribe to our channel, and be sure to hit that bell button to be the first to know when a new video drops. Thanks for watching.